light years ahead to light years beyond. Introducing the Brother Luminaire 2 and Novus XP2, the second generation of the brilliant Luminaire, featuring revolutionary stitch vision technology for virtually perfect stitch positioning and more precise previews of your designs and stitches. And now, with the Novi Plus technology, you can stop your stitch exactly where you want with the endpoint sewing function. Plus, enjoy virtually unlimited design options with the enhanced My Design Center, with 42 decorative fills inspired by geometric shapes, basket weave, leaves, and bubbles. To elevate the built-in designs or create unique ones, the Luminaire 2 is filled with even more brilliant technology to let your creativity shine. Like 2 new app-based features, My Design Snap for wirelessly transferring line art or illustrations from your mobile device to your machine, and My Stitch Monitor for remotely keeping tabs on the progress of your embroidery. Plus, choose from 5 bold hexagon shapes to give you more options for your embroidery and quilting projects. And 5 2-color quilt sash designs, perfect for eye-catching colorful borders. And single or triple stitch options for quilt sashing to let your stitches stand out. All working together to take your projects beyond beautiful, lighting up your world and theirs. The Luminaire 2 and Novus XP2, light years beyond.
Creativity has no boundaries, so why should your machine? Whether you're making a large quilt, garment, or you're working on a bulky project, the Baby Lock Jazz 2 comes with everything a quilter would want, plus the unique features you need on a utility stitch machine. With an expansive 12 inches to the right of the needle, programmable needle position for easy maneuverability, 6 LED lights that illuminate the needle and work area, and a blazing fast 1,000 stitches per minute, you'll be finished faster than you thought. And with Baby Lock's online tutorials and education, you don't just get a machine, you get endless creative inspiration. The Baby Lock Jazz 2 gives you room to improvise, and your projects get the space they deserve. So what are you waiting for? Make a project that sings with the Baby Lock Jazz 2.
How do we continue to break down obstacles that stand between you and how you create? That question drives us to design and build the best of the best in embroidery and sewing machines. Introducing Solaris by Baby Lock. We've developed new innovative features to make Solaris the most advanced single needle embroidery machine we've ever made. Presenting IQ Visionary Projector Technology. Using a built-in projector, you will see how your embroidery design looks in full vibrant color before you even begin stitching, saving time, material, and frustration. Stitch control buttons are projected near your design, allowing you to adjust your stitches in real time with just a touch of the stylus. The 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen helps you navigate every aspect of your project. Take total control over your stitches, embroidery designs, placement, colors, and more. Your only limit will be the amount of thread you can get your hands on. We've enhanced Baby Lock's IQ Designer. Upload a file, scan in an image, or even draw directly on the screen. Solaris will digitize it instantly and make it ready to embroider. Scan in designs faster with a hyper-wide view camera. By covering a larger area and fewer scans, you're ready to stitch in less time. 8 high-powered LEDs illuminate every detail of the unprecedented 13-inch workspace to the right of the needle. Pair that with the largest hoop size in the industry, and you can work comfortably with larger designs and full-size quilts. processing speed and embroidery completion time are 30% faster than any previous Baby Lock machine. Finally, with hundreds of options, including exclusive embroidery designs, decorative fills and stitches, fonts, and new quilting designs, nothing stands between you and your creations, all to enhance your love of sewing. Solaris. See what possibility looks like.